Hi there, folks. Elaine here with WTI. How would you like to upscale your adult beverages with something very classy? You can with Glacio's clear 2.5-inch ice bowl maker set. I really enjoyed how these ice spheres made our drinks so elegant, but also kept our drinks cold without watering them down. My guests were so impressed with how directional freezing technology produces this crystal clear ice. It's so innovative and fun. You can hardly see it. It's fascinating. This is hands down the best gift for those who are serious about perfectly chilled whiskey and cocktails. It's definitely good to let your fears sit for a few minutes and then pour your beverage and wow your guests with an amazing crystal clear sphere. It certainly is easy peasy to make. I just fill with filtered water to the bottom of the vertical line, and then I insert my molds and freeze them for at least 24 to 36 hours. And I found that with a few strong pulls, alternating sides, I mean, it is frozen, right? Then voila, you have four gorgeous, elegant spheres that you can pre-make to be ready for entertaining or just for yourself. So enjoy your drinks in style with this great sphere by Glacio. It makes amazing clear ice and the presentation is just gorgeous. We love it. We highly recommend it. And that's just our point of view.